Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're comparing Alpha Futures and Topstep, two of the most popular futures prop trading firms, to help you decide which one might be the better fit for your trading journey. Topstep has been around since 2012 and is one of the most established futures prop firm in the industry. Traders go through the trading combine evaluation, and if they pass, they can access funded accounts of up to $150,000. One of its big perks is the profit split. You keep 100% of your first $10,000 in profits and then a 90 out of 10 split after that. Topstep also provides coaching, real-time performance dashboards, and support for popular platforms like NinjaTrader and TradingView, which makes it appealing for both beginner and experienced traders. However, some traders find its rules, like contract sizing and scaling, a bit restrictive, and the evaluation process can take longer compared to some newer firms. Alpha Futures, on the other hand, is much newer but has quickly built a strong reputation. It offers a simpler one-step evaluation with funded accounts that can scale up to $450,000. Profit splits typically start at 70% and can rise to 90% after multiple payouts. The firm uses its own AlphaTix trading platform, which comes with TradingView charts and real-time data, though it doesn't integrate with third-party platforms. Alpha Futures is also known for its strict rules: no bots, no ultra-short scalps under 2 minutes, and no all-in style trades. But traders highlight its fast payouts, transparent conditions, and responsive customer support as major strengths, with many praising it on Trustpilot with a 4.9 out of 5 rating. So, which one is better? If you're looking for a proven platform with years of credibility, a supportive community, and flexible integration with popular trading tools, Topstep is still one of the safest bets. But if you want a faster, simpler path to funding with bigger scaling potential and excellent customer support, Alpha Futures might be the better choice, as long as you're comfortable with its strict manual trading rules. Ultimately, both firms have strong offerings, and the right pick depends on whether you value a long-standing reputation or streamlined modern funding. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.